If you've ever wondered how to make a flipbook out of images, you are in the right place. Creating a flipbook from images is now more accessible than ever. You can make beautiful flipbooks with your images like this. The first step in creating an online flipbook is to select the images you want to use. Now, it's time to choose an online tool that specializes in creating flipbooks from images. Whenever you find a tool, look for user reviews and evaluate their features, price, and usability. Always do your own research. We are working with many flipbook tools, but the best one is PDF Flipbook. You can easily convert your images or PDF documents into an interactive flipbook. PDF Flipbook is designed to improve your digital content and bring a new level of interactivity. Flipbook creation process and customization. First, you need to go to www.pdfflipbook.com. Then you need to register. After creating your account, you will get your dashboard. Go to Image to Flipbook tab to create Flipbook from images. Then select the images you want to display. In this tab, you will find settings like page size, margins, layout, image size, and actions. Additionally, there are many functions available for your flipbook. After creating the flipbook, you will see all your flipbooks listed. Then you have to click Copy iframe code to clipboard, and the embed link will be copied. Then you can paste it wherever you want, and your flipbook will be accessible from there. Once your flipbook is complete, you can display it on your website. You can display your content in many ways. Flipbook mode. Vertical scrolling mode. Horizontal scrolling mode. Read our blog for every detail. For more information, visit www.pdfflipbook.com.